Hey fellow Nevillers, today we're going to discover Neville's lecture from 1959, The Cup and the Cross. He mentions revision in this, and he also explains what the cup is and what the cross is. Now let me read a passage from the lecture to you. Go and tell them the story of Jesus Christ in man. If it be possible for this cup to pass from me, let it pass. But if I must drain the cup, I will do so. What is it I must do? I tell you that the story I have come to give you is the story of revision. You see a man, and he looks as he should not look to anyone in this world. My senses reveal him as he appears to me and others. I am confronted with the cup. Must I accept that appearance and perpetuate it in the world, or must I revise it and nail myself on the revised image? I must. So I am crucified with Christ, yet not I, for Christ liveth in me. And the life I now live, I live by the faith of a Son, of the Son of God, who loved me and became man. So each time I see another as he should not be, I am confronted with the cup, and I must now imbibe to the fullest and become the wine bibber, and so yield to the image and so live by it, that I see this man now as he should be. I must drain the cup. I must crucify myself on that image, even if I do not live long enough to see it resurrected, for it will be resurrected. Crucifixion without resurrection would be the very triumph of tyranny. There must be resurrection, for I will awaken, and so will you. Not one will fail to awaken, and then we will take every being in this world and take the ideal of that being, and so yield to it that we nail ourselves to that imagined state and remain faithful to it, so that no matter how long it takes, it will be done. That is the cup you and I are called upon to drink. It is offered to you tonight, not 2,000 years ago. You drink it for yourself or for a stranger. The man you want to be, that man you will be. If you will nail yourself to that state, that is reality. So here we can see Neville's mentioning revision, which is where an experience in your life, i.e. here in 3D, your reality, it didn't go the way you wanted to, it wasn't ideal, or it's not ideal compared to what your ideal is now, and you can revise it, change the memories, change the way you feel about it, the way you look about it. That's revision. Seriously important. And our main job now, the cup. Neville describes the cup as the appearance of someone that appears in our reality. We bump into them, we meet them, we talk to them, or we hear about them, and what we hear, see, or encounter with them is not our ideal. So we change it via religion. So what we see, hear, and witness about that person, it's not ideal, and we can change it with the process of revision. So the cup is the appearance of what that person appears to us. We should see that other as he should appear to be, i.e. ideal. Now the cross, in the lecture, Neville describes it as this. He says we nail ourself on the revised image. He also says nail yourself mentally on that cross. which he means to be the revised image, i.e. you see everyone in your world that you bump into, hear about, see, have an interaction with as ideal, i.e. you crucify yourself on it. So there you go, my lovelies. The cup, your revised image, and nailing yourself upon it. See you tomorrow, my Nevilleaholics, for day 3 of 365 Neville. Bye-bye.